How to log in Crunchyroll account. Logging into your Crunchyroll account is straightforward and you will have to follow these steps. First, visit the Crunchyroll website. Open your browser and go to the www.crunchyroll.com. Now, inside the website, look for the login option at the top right corner of the home page, then simply tap on it. You can see the account option available there. Tap on it and from there tap on the login option available. Now, once you click on the login button, you'll be navigated to login section. Here, you'll have to enter the email address and password associated with your Crunchyroll account. Or if you have not logged into your Crunchyroll account yet, then you can simply choose create one option available at the bottom to create a new account on your Crunchyroll. So here, let's navigate to the create one section since we don't have a login account credentials. Here, log in using your email address. Enter your email address and enter any password you prefer. Must be the strong one. Now, once you enter all your details, simply tap on the OK or next option available there or continue option available there. Once done, you'll be navigated to Crunchyroll website. Now simply watch anime easily. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.